Drug trafficking charges have been laid against two members of the Drug User Liberation Front in Vancouver, disappointing the group's supporters who say they were just trying to save lives. For over a year, Delph said it was buying drugs off the dark web, testing them for purity, and then giving them to a group of 47 people who were part of a study on reducing overdose risk. But then the advocacy group's offices in the downtown east side were raided by police in October.
We are disappointed, to say the very least. We know Jeremy and Eris, the two people who are charged with trafficking. We know them to be good people with the best of intentions.
Leslie McBain with Moms Stop the Harm, which supports those who lost loved ones to drugs, says trafficking is the wrong word to use. Jeremy Calicum and Eris Nix were running what has been called a compassion club, which they say helped people access clean drugs and avoid the unpredictable street supply.
The intention and the goal, which, by the way, is supported by Moms Stop the Harm, is to stop the deaths. And sometimes change has to happen in a way that isn't always popular with the police, for instance, or maybe even the public.
In January, Delph's hundreds of supporters went to the courthouse in Vancouver, protesting the group's arrests and applauding their unsanctioned Compassion Club project. A month later, Delph published its peer-reviewed study in the International Journal of Drug Policy, which suggests their project reduced overdoses.
Their intentions were never to flaunt the law or to make money or any of those things.
More than 14,500 people in BC have died from unregulated toxic drugs since the province declared a public health emergency 8 years ago, and it's the leading cause of unnatural death in British Columbia. Nix and Calicum are expected to be in court July 2nd. In Vancouver, Kirjunos, City News.